to study about the leaf modifications. In some plants, a complete leaf or a part of leaf is modified to carry out some specific functions. Such modifications are called leaf modifications. On the basis of their functions, leaf modifications are classified into different kinds. They are leaf tendrils, spines, storage leaves, phyllodes, reproductive leaves, and insectivorous leaves. Leaf tendrils. The modified, thin, wiry, sensitive structures that coil around support and help in climbing are called tendrils. Tendrils may develop from any part of the leaf or the entire leaf. In Pisum, upper leaflets are modified into tendrils. In Gloriosa, leaf apex is modified into tendril. In Smilax, stipules are modified into tendrils. In Nepenthes, distal part of the petiole is modified into tendril. Spines. Modified pointed structures that reduce water loss by transpiration are called spines. Presence of spines is an adaptation seen in xerophytes. The spines also protect the plant from grazing animals. In cacti, spines act as defensive organs. Storage leaves. The storage leaves are fleshy or swollen. The storage leaves can store water or food materials. In leaves of some plants, water is stored in the form of mucilage. Such leaves are called succulent leaves. Succulent leaves occur in plants growing in xerophytic habitat. Succulent leaves are seen in plants like agave, aloe, and Bryophyllum. In a bulb of Allium cepa, the leaf bases are fleshy due to the storage of food materials. Allium cepa is the botanical name of onion. In a bulb of Allium sativum, scale leaves are fleshy due to the storage of food materials. Allium sativum is the botanical name of garlic. Phyllodes. The modified green flattened petiole that is formed by the suppression of leaf lamina performing photosynthesis is called a phylode. Presence of phylode is also a xerophytic adaptation, as the leaflets are shed to reduce transpiration. In Acacia melanoxylon, commonly called Australian acacia, the normal leaf is bipinnately compound in the seedling stage, but it soon falls off. In Australian acacia, the petiole is modified into phylode. Reproductive leaves. Modified leaves with epiphyllous buds are called reproductive leaves. These epiphyllous buds help in vegetative propagation. In Bryophyllum, the buds lie in the notches along the crenate margins. The margin of a leaf with alternate ridges and furrows is called crenate leaf margin. In Scilla indica, epiphyllous buds are present at the tip of leaves. In Scilla, one leaf has only one bud. Insectivorous leaves. The modified leaves that trap insects to fulfill the nitrogen requirement are called trap leaves or insectivorous leaves. The plants with such insectivorous leaves are called insectivorous plants. Some plants growing in nitrogen-deficient soils depend on organisms like insects for their nitrogen requirements. The leaves of these plants are modified into trap leaves to attract, catch, kill, and digest the insect proteins. Digestive glands of these plants secrete digestive juices to digest insect proteins and assimilate nitrogenous compounds into the plant. Nepenthes, Drosera, Dionaea, and Utricularia are the insectivorous plants. Nepenthes is commonly called pitcher plant. In Nepenthes, basal part of the petiole is modified into a wing-like structure, performing photosynthesis. Terminal part of the petiole is modified into tendril-like, called tendrilla petiole. The leaf lamina is modified into a sac-like structure called pitcher. The leaf tip is modified into a coloured lid. Nectary glands are present on the rim of the pitcher. Digestive glands are present on the inner walls of the pitcher. Drosera is commonly called sundew plant. In Drosera, lamina is spoon-shaped, called spatulate. In Drosera, digestive glands are located at the tip of the tentacles. Dionaea is commonly called Venus flytrap. In Dionaea, the petiole is winged and lamina is bilobed with spines. Utricularia is insectivorous hydrophyte. Utricularia is commonly called bladderwort. In Utricularia, the leaf is segmented. Some of the leaf segments are modified into bladder with a trap door. Bladder allows small insects to enter.